Yayday TV! Woo! What's up, Yayday team? Yayday Princess here. So we know that there's a winter disco bigger surprise. Look at it, isn't it beautiful? And this bigger surprise comes with exclusive dolls. They're pretty amazing. But did you know that there is a winter disco pearl surprise? Oh no, you haven't seen it? Probably because it's fake. I gotta say, even though it's fake, it looks pretty cool. It says we'll get 25 plus surprises. And here's no jams on the front. The back just says a little surprise. And we do have a zipper. But I don't think it works. So let's cut this baby open and see what's in there. Now we just have a glittery gold ball with a purple handle. And the back still says a little surprise. Let's see what's in here. Are you guys seeing this? This is pretty cool. I think we're supposed to punch these silver doors open. And I see number 1. Okay, here it goes. There's a little ball in there. Our first one is black. These don't look like anything winter disco. I guess they're not too bad. Just not what I was expecting. Let's see what's in door number 2. Ooh, favorite color. Hopefully this one's better. Oh my god. We got a crown this time. It's pink and it has tons of jewels. This one's not too bad. Door number 3. 3. Look, there's a bunny. Yes, we got gold. So this one has to be good, right? Maraca, 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 maraca. Sounds like shoes. Right, definitely not shoes. We got a see-through blue dress and a matching see-through pacifier. Now it's time for door number 4. Our next color is pink. We got another super see-through dress, but this time it's green. Maybe she's supposed to wear both at the same time? We have 2 more accessory doors left. What's in 5? More pink! I hope the accessory's different. Oh my gosh. We got a little purse. And it matches our tiara. It's not the best quality, but it's still technically a bag. And our last accessory is... another gold. We got a pink bottle that doesn't have a handle, and we're missing something. We got a bottle, a purse, a crown, sunglasses, 2 dresses, and a pacifier. But we didn't get any shoes. Not even one. Maybe it's somewhere else in here. Let's take our first layer off. What? How did we go from winter disco to #HAIRGOALS? So confused. What? Now I'm double confused. We got a #HAIRGOALS blind bag and a #HAIRGOALS capsule. Let's see what's in our blind bag first. That'll be shoes. Look. First, we got a bunch of accessories and no shoes. And now we got a body. No head, just a body. Come on, fakes. Maybe our head is in our capsule. I hear something in there. What? What is going on in here? There's 2 heads in there. I think I see some glitter. And they do look like the winter disco dolls. Let's get them out. Notice anything wrong with this picture? Their faces don't have any paint. No eyeballs, no mouths, no nothing. What happened? And the other thing, we got 1 boy and we got 1 girl. But we got dresses. Oh no. And we still don't have any shoes. super confused. I will say that their hair is really pretty. Shimmery. And I think I saw one more thing at the bottom of our Winter Disco Pearl surprise. Really? It's another blind bag that we can see through. Well, if I wasn't confused before, I'm super confused now. We got another doll, and I've never seen one like this before. She's wearing a hat with a little puff ball on the top, but it doesn't come off. We finally got our shoes, and we got another dress. Out of all of the dresses we got, this one's my favorite. And we got a matching pacifier and a little sister. Our little sister is one solid piece of plastic. But I do like her shimmery hair and her shimmery diaper. That's about it. She looks upset. Guys, this just looks like a whole bunch of crazy. Winter disco crazy? Normal crazy. Crazy! Well, here we are, Yayday team. And I'm not really sure what to say. That was pretty crazy. What do you guys think about this Winter Disco Pearl surprise? Please let me know in the comments. And I want to know, which one of these is the worst? I think the ones without faces are the worst. Thank you so much for opening this fake Winter Disco with me today, guys. Who's the best? You're the best. Better than the rest. Taking the test. Remember to like, share, comment, and join the Yayday team. You guys know what time it is. It's shot time. And this bigger surprise comes with and an imagining see-through pacifier.